Hello students, let's we learn our main course book, subject ES, chapter number 8. Chapter name is Fur and standard 3. This chapter is about birds. Now, birds are different from each other in size, color, shape, body parts and foods also. Every bird has wings. Most birds can fly. Every bird has a beak. It holds its food in the beak to consume it. The beaks of birds are not same. Each beak is different according to the bird's need. And some birds have short beaks while others have long beaks. And different birds makes different sound. A sparrow chirps, a pigeon coos, a crow caws, and a cuckoo sing, and a peacock scream. Now, birds are also helpful in spreading seeds. Birds are useful to us, so we must protect birds. In your book, page number 54, there was a meeting of birds. Owl has started the talks. Owl say, why is there so much noise in the jungle? I just cannot sleep. Owl बोलता है कि जंगल में इतने सारे noise क्यों? Then after that, other birds said, dear owl, the birds are all praising themselves and shouting. वो सब लोग खुद की तारीफ कर रहे हैं और shouting कर रहे हैं. Now owl said, we all are special in our own ways. Our claws, beaks, feathers and sounds are different, which we all are birds. If we all look alike, eat the same food and made the same sound, think how dull the world would be. Owl क्या बोलता है? सब बर्ड्स अपने में ही स्पेशल है. हमारा क्लॉज, बीक्स, फीदर्स all are different, but we all are birds. And it also said that if we looked alike, अब सब हम लोग सेम दिखेंगे, सेम खाना खाएंगे, सेम साउंड करेंगे, तो ये वर्ल्ड कैसा लगेगा? सोचो, the worlds would be dull. Now in this chapter there was meeting, and which birds came? First number, on my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. Which bird is this? Dance best and feathers are beautiful, and before the rain it cry aloud. That is peacock. And the second one is long and grooved is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. जिसका टेल कैसा है? लॉन्ग है, ग्रूप्ड है और हाई अप इन द स्काई, बहुत ऊपर उड़ता है. एंड द पिक एंड ईट ऑल द माइस. सब माइस को क्या करता है? पिक करता है एंड ईट करता है. डेट इज द काइट. द काइट इज what you call me. Third one is my feathers are green, my beak is red, guava and green chilies I am fed. I love to copy people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. जिसका feathers कैसा है? ग्रीन है. beak कैसा है? रेड. and what eat guava and green chili. and it also love to copy people voice and keep making a lot of noise. That is parrot. And the fourth one, black are my feathers and black is my color. जिसका feathers भी black है और color भी क्या है, black. Crow crow I do all day long. जो कैसा साउंड करता है, crow crow, that is the crow. And 5 number, kuhu kuhu is my sound. The sound is kuhu kuhu and everywhere I am found. My sweet voice give me fame, this is my name. Which bird? Cuckoo is my name. Cuckoo is my sound and everywhere I am found. The sweet voice gives me fame. Which sweet voice? Whose? Cuckoo. Cuckoo is my name. And the 5th one, dead animals I do eat, making place clean and neat. High up in the dash I fly, vulture is what I am called by. High up in the, कहाँ पे उड़ता है, sky, that's name. Vulture is what I am called by. Now 7 number, my beak is very special, I use it like a needle, stitching leaves I make my home, the dash bird is how I am known. Which bird is used to make house their home by stitching leaves? The tailor bird. The tailor bird is how I am known. 8 number, my beak is pink, feathers grey, gutter-goo I go on all day, in houses I make my home, a dash is how I am known. उसका beak कैसा है, pink and feathers grey. All the time it do gutter-goo and in house it make their own home. Or dash is how I am known, or pigeon. A pigeon is how I am known. The last 9 number, in trunk of trees holes I make, hidden insects I intake, tuk 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 I work all day, the dash is what people say. In trunk of trees hole I make, trees में क्या बनाते हैं, क्या बनाता है वो, होल. एंड हिडन इंसेक्ट आई इनटेक, जो छुपे हुए कीड़े होते हैं वो खाता है. एंड टुक टुक आई वर्क ऑल डे, ऑल द डे इट डू टुक टुक. द डैश इज व्हाट पीपल से, the woodpecker is what people say. Now in this chapter, which is birds includes peacock, kite, parrot, crow, cuckoo, vulture, tailor bird, pigeon and woodpecker. So dear students, birds have different types of beaks. They also eat different types of food. While some birds eat fruit, some eat seeds, some eat eggs, while other eats fish. Now, have you ever noticed that birds fly and walk in different ways? Their necks movements also differ. The myna moves her head, necks, back necks and fought with a jerk. The owl can rotate its neck backwards to a great extent. And there are some birds also which can imitate our voice. Do you know the name of that birds? That is parrot. Parrots imitate human talks. Now draw that picture, the picture of parrots in your notebooks and color it. And the feathers, students, the feathers of birds are also different color, shapes and size. Their feathers helps them to fly in the sky and keep them warm too. उड़ने में भी मदद करते हैं feathers and to keep them warm, गर्म रखने में भी. From time to time birds lose their old feathers and new feathers grow in their place. टाइम टू टाइम feathers क्या होते हैं? चेंज होते हैं, गिरते रहते हैं और then after new one grow in their place. You must have often seen feathers of birds lying around them. So all in this chapter about birds. Now continue chapter number 9. The chapter name is It's Raining. In this chapter, Appu ate bananas. This is a story. Now let's start. Appu likes bananas very much. He plucks and eats bananas from the tree every day. One day he saw that the banana trees were dropping. It had not rained for a long time. अप्पू को क्या पसंद था? बनाना. अप्पू likes bananas very much. And अप्पू plucks and eat bananas from the trees. वो trees में से every day तोड़ता था. तोड़ के क्या करता था वो? Bananas eats. And one day when he saw that the bananas trees were dropping, जब वो एक दिन उसने क्या देखा कि bananas tree सूख रहा था. तो it had not rained for a long time. क्यों? Because rain नहीं हुआ था. And it then after he think that he must get water in trunks. Then what said? I must get water in my trunk. Appu said he get water in trunk. He started walking towards the river. Now Appu started walking towards the river. Appu drank water till he was happy. First he drank water till he happy. जब तक वो खुश नहीं हुआ तब तक वो पानी पिया. And he bathed his bodies with his trunk. Then after he bathed, then he carried water in his trunk. After that he carried water in his trunk and poured it on the bananas trees. Then after that water poured on the bananas trees. As soon as the bananas trees got water, they came alive. जैसे ही bananas trees को water मिला तो क्या हुआ? वो alive हो गए. Then Appu said, from now I will get water for you every day. Then Appu said, from today I will get water for you every day. Then after all, you also gave me ripe and tasty bananas. अप्पू ने क्या किया? अप्पू ने वाटर दिया बनानास को. Why? Because bananas trees also give ripe and tasty bananas. Now here are some question answer from this chapter. Let's we read. What will happen if the bananas trees do not get water? What will happen if banana trees will not get water? If the banana trees do not get water, they drop, dry up and their leaves fall off. If the banana trees do not get water, they dry up, वो सूख जाएगा और उसके पत्ते भी गिरने लगेंगे। एंड हैव यू सीन एनिमल्स ड्रिंकिंग वाटर वेयर? क्या आपने एनिमल्स को पानी पीते हुए देखा है? अगर देखा है तो कहाँ देखा है? यस, आई हैव सीन एनिमल्स ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फ्रॉम अ लेक, a river and a water draw. Now the third question, where do the plants get water around your house? Around your house, from where plants get water? Plants growing around my house get water mostly from rain. Large trees get water from the soil with the help of their roots. That plants, small plants get water from rain, and the large trees get water from the soil with the help of their roots. Now you read in the story that Apu watering the banana trees. Then how do the other plants get water from? And plants mostly get water from rain. Where rain, plants seem to get a new look. And then after, now let's we read a poem from your page number 61 from your book. Now the poem about clouds. White and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. Dogs, deer, elephant, horse, sometimes they looks like deer. By running here and there, the clouds arrive. In movements they came, in movements they go. Sometimes not seen for months, sometimes they freeze, and for weeks they stay. The clouds arrive, sometimes they roar, sometimes they pour. Sometimes they thunder, spreading the colors in a rainbow of wonder. And sometimes they hail, and then trees shed the leaves. The clouds arrive in a magic pack, white and black. In this poem, clouds arrives in a magic packs. Sometimes they looks like dogs, deer, elephant, horse or deers, and by running here and there. Sometimes they come and sometimes they go. Sometimes they seen for months, कभी कभी वो बहुत months बाद तक भी नहीं दिखाई देते, कभी कभी दिखाई देते तो वो वहीं पे फ्रीज होते एंड दे स्टे फॉर वीक्स, कभी एक हफ्ते तक या बहुत दिनों तक ही वो वहाँ पे स्टे रहते हैं. एंड द क्लाउड्स अराइव, समटाइम्स दे रोर, समटाइम्स दे पोर, कभी कभी रोर करते हैं तो कभी कभी रेन भी करते हैं. एंड समटाइम्स अ रेनबो ऑफ वंडर्स, क्या दिखाई देते हैं? स्प्रेडिंग्स ऑफ कलर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेनबो. समटाइम्स they hail, and then trees shed the leaves. The clouds arrive in a magic pads. How they arrive? In a magic pads with white and black. कौन से color? White and blacks. Now here are some question from this poem. Let's we read. The poem can see, the poet can see many things in the clouds. What have you seen in the clouds? पोएम में पोएट ने बहुत सारे चीज़ देखे क्लाउड्स में, तो आप लोगों ने क्या क्या देखे? द पोएट सॉ शेप्स ऑफ अ डॉग, अ डियर, एन एलिफेंट, अ हॉर्स एंड अ पेयर ऑफ swans in the clouds. I too have seen clouds shaped like a rabbit and an orange. पोएट ने क्या देखा? कौन सा शेप्स? शेप्स ऑफ अ डॉग, डियर, एलिफेंट, हॉर्स एंड अ पेयर ऑफ swans. That's why I also seen I also have seen cloud shapes like a rabbit and an orange. Now next question. Have you ever seen a rainbow? Rainbow देखा है कभी? Yes, I have seen a rainbow. Now the next question. Apart from clouds, what do you see in the rain? रेन में क्लाउड्स के अलावा दूसरे भी क्या देखते हो? अपार्ट फ्रॉम क्लाउड्स वी कैन सी लाइटनिंग एंड हियर थंडर व्हेन इट्स रेन. क्लाउड्स तो देखते ही है पर साथ में लाइटनिंग भी देख सकते हैं और थंडर मीन्स वो गड़गड़ाहट जो बारिश के टाइम पे होता है वो भी देखते हैं.